What if you could run your own school management business without building the software yourself? With the AfrikSabify white label program, you can sell a complete school platform under your own brand and create recurring revenue from every school you serve. It works in 4 simple steps. First, apply and have a strategy call with our team. Next, brand the platform with your own logo, colors, and domain. Then set your own pricing and profit margins. Finally, onboard your schools and watch the recurring revenue grow. Everything is included. Your branded domain with SSL, full customization, a dashboard to manage every school, a dedicated account manager, and ready-to-use sales materials. This is a business, not just a product. Your logo, your pricing, your customers. Ready to build it? Apply for the AfrikSabify partnership today.